know that you've been doing wrong and doing wrong. Tell me that my heart ain't know that you ain't doing wrong and doing wrong. 'Cause I'm just so sick of.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be just doing a quick little video on my everyday makeup routine. I have had a couple of people ask me what I do, so I'm just going to do a super quick everyday routine that's not anything special. I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera just because I've tried to do it on camera and I feel like I always struggle and it always takes so long for no reason. So I went and I did it off camera. If an eyebrow tutorial is something you guys want to see, let me know and I can definitely do that for you guys. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is the routine for it. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any really good products that you think I should get, because I think I'm actually due for makeup shopping. Everything is on lockdown over here, so it's just so difficult to go and get new foundation because I need to try it on to make sure I'm getting my match, you know? But I'm going to show you what I use. I'm going to show you what every day looks like for me when I do wear makeup. So make sure to thumbs up this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. Okay guys, we're gonna use my favorite foundation, which is the Nars All Day Luminous in Benares. So I'm not a really big fan of a crazy amount of foundation. It really depends how I'm feeling, but I'm more heavy on concealer than I am on foundation. What I really like about Nars All Day Luminous is that you don't need a lot to actually cover your face. It's really a true medium to full coverage. As you can see here, it really didn't take a lot to cover my face. I do switch up the type of applicators that I use for foundation depending on how I feel. This time around I did decide to use this brush only because sometimes it's just better for full coverage. But most of the time, especially when I want light makeup, I do use my flat brush. So what I like to do after I have put on my foundation, I do like to go in with my Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. I find that my foundation becomes so much more seamless. So then that's when I go in with my beauty blender and I just blend, blend, blend. Make sure that there's no fine lines or creases. So next I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is my holy grail. I have genuinely tried to see if I could find a concealer that does the same thing as this, and I've just been struggling. If you guys know any good concealers that have the same consistency and coverage as LA Pro Girl, please someone let me know in the comments. But I do use the color Toffee, and this is like my go-to concealer. So I just like to apply that under my eyes, on my Cupid's bow, top of my forehead, and obviously my chin, just all of my high points. And I just, as you see, I really do take my time when it comes to blending. So as I said, when it comes to concealer, I really do like to take my time and to really go in. I use a little bit of foundation and most of my face is honestly concealer. Yo, I just gotta let you guys know, I've been bumping that new Tory Lanez album and it's fire, fire, fire. And I've just been bumping it from beginning to end every single day. So this is just me turning up right now. Okay, but back to the makeup tutorial. So I'm just taking my concealer and I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose just to add some highlight. And we're gonna go ahead and blend. So after this, I do actually like to go back in with my Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So I love that this comes in darker complexions now. So I do use this as a second highlight, and the color that I use is tan. I ordered mine from Amazon, but you can actually get this at like a Shoppers or a Walmart as well, or I guess a Walgreens if you live in the States. So next I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder. This is a translucent one, and I like to just bring this down the sides of my nose, under my eyes, all the places that I highlighted, of course. guys, I know that there is a darker version of this powder. I don't remember which one I got, but I got one and I tried it, but because it wasn't matching my skin tone, it actually changed the color of my like foundation and concealer when I used it. And I genuinely was looking for something that was gonna like work for my skin tone, but it just wasn't working. So if someone can let me know some good setting powders for my kind of skin tone, please let me know, because I'm looking for that. Okay, so I just took this time to fix my wig. Obviously, I'm looking super crazy. I usually have my wig fully done when I'm doing my hair, but obviously I didn't this time. I promise you by the end of this, it's not gonna look crazy. It's a process. It's a process, guys. So next I have to go in with my Fenty Beauty contour, and I have it in the color Mocha Mami. This was my very first contour, and I'm so glad that she made this because I don't know what I would do without it. And I just use this to warm up my skin tone. And to be honest, I use this for so many different things, which you will see shortly in the video. But after that, I go back in with my Urban Decay setting spray, and I just like to set my face after I've wiped off the rest of the setting powder. Next, I'm going to go back in with my contour, and I'm just going to contour my nose. I know it's looking crazy, but like I said, the goal here is to make sure that we blend. After that, what I do like to do is I add some more shape to my nose. I actually use Kylie Jenner's concealer. This is the color Clove, and I do dab a little bit under my nose just to create a shadow effect right under. So next, what I like to do is go back in with my contour, and I use this over my eyelid. This is something that I do every single time. I just think it adds warmth to my face. Even if I wasn't gonna wear any eyelashes, this is a step that I never miss. Next, going in with my Becca Cosmetic highlighter, I like to use the shade Champagne Pop. I just put that on the end of my nose, obviously on the top of my cheeks, and my Cupid's bow, and of course on the bridge of my nose to add a little pop. Okay, so guys, I've been using Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty for my blush, and I've been loving it. It is so nice. I think this is the darkest color. I don't remember the name of this, but I'm gonna make sure to put it down in the bio. And what I love about this so much is it's so buildable. I was scared that it was gonna be too pigmented, but you can really build up the color. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. This is my favorite, and this is my go-to. So I usually just like to line my lips with this, and I'm not really big on lipstick. I'm more of a lip gloss kind of gal. So basically I like to pair this lip liner with the MAC's lip gloss in the color Spite. Going again with just like a nice clear, or I guess in this case it's just a little bit of a tinted lip gloss. I don't remember what this is called. I'm gonna put this also in the description box. I got it from my local Shoppers. I believe it was like $11, but this lip gloss is actually pretty fire. So lastly, just to complete this look, I'm just going in with one of my very favorite lashes. I got these from Amazon. I wear these all the time. I literally have 2 pairs of lashes that are my favorite from the same store on Amazon, and I go back and forth between the two. I literally have like 10 different pairs of these lashes. My very last thing that I like to do is I like to go back in with my Fenty Beauty contour, and I like to just put that on my lower lash line, and I like to smoke it out a little bit just to give my eyes a little bit more of a pop. And I do feel like this does a lot because of my eye shape. It actually suits me really well. So yeah, and this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for getting to the end of this video, and if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.